Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So ChatGPT has released a new model, a flagship model GPT-4o, and it can reason across audio, vision and text in real time. If I show you, this is the one ChatGPT-4o. So in this video, I will tell you some features, some good features of GPT-4o, and then I will tell you how can you get access to GPT-4o. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I want you to see is, like, you can see that this is the introduction given by openai.com. If I open this video, like, you can see that this ChatGPT 4o model has a lot of capabilities. It can talk to you. It can just answer your question in voice. You can just call them. You can just do anything you want with this GPT 4o. It has a lot of capabilities. The response time is much higher, as if you are talking with some person in real time. Okay, GPT-4o is a new flagship model that provides GPT-4 level intelligence, but is much faster and improves on its capabilities across text, voice and vision. Okay, as you can see that the response time of GPT-4o, it can respond to audio inputs in as little as 232 milliseconds with an average of 320 milliseconds, which is similar to human response time. So it is the best thing that it can respond. The response time is very good. It will look like that you are talking to some person in real, and it will help you get better. It will help you solve your problems quickly and all those things. As you can see that GPT-4o is especially better at vision and audio understanding compared to existing models. Now, the main question you all gonna ask me under this video is, how can we get access to GPT-4o? How can we use GPT-4o? So here's the answer. The GPT-4o is rolling out to the users, and a lot of users, a lot of free users will get access to GPT-4o in some time. But rather than waiting for your time, rather than waiting for your turn, what you have to do is, to get quick access, is you can just install this ChatGPT application on your mobile phone, on your Android, on your iOS. You can just install this ChatGPT application, and then you can just join the beta version of this application. Like, you can see that I'm already a beta tester. You can just click on join beta program of this application under here, around here, and then you can get access to GPT-4o in the next update. So whenever there'll be an update in this beta version, you can see that your beta tester for this app, future updates will include beta versions. So you can get early access to GPT-4o if you are in the beta program of ChatGPT application. So all you have to do is, you can just install this application and log into your account, and then join the beta version of this application, and then wait to get an update of ChatGPT application. After update, you can get access to GPT-4o. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my new videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.